Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Sage HR, Payroll, and Employee Management. So here, the first thing that we are going to do is to visit the website. So just open any of your web browser and then just have to type out sage.com. All right, and then right here we have the Sage HR. Okay, so let's discuss first what is Sage HR. So since we cannot really access the dashboard for this one because we have to schedule a demo. All right. So here, the core Sage HR, you can keep track of your employee data. So managing people data in spreadsheets wasn't sustainable long term, so we needed a better solution. So Sage HR has enabled us to take our HR files out of Excel and into the cloud. All right. So here, for the performance, bring your teams together by sharing goals and tracking progress, even when you're on the move. Get a well-rounded view of people's performance with 360 feedback from colleagues, and then use an actionable performance insight so you can effectively grow and develop your people. For the timesheets, so log time easily online from anywhere. Avoid surprises by automatically pre-filling hours with time of data. And then for the shift scheduling, here easily create and edit the shifts, perfect for flexible workers. Let your employees know about shifts at the click of a button, and then remote workers can view schedules online on the mobile app. And for the expenses, so snap and submit receipt in a flash directly from the mobile app, then automatically turn receipt into entries and submit them online with a single click, then take control over who can access and then what with permissions. For the recruitment, so get on-demand applicant screening, effortlessly schedule interviews for outstanding candidate experiences, and then get reports on time to fill, hiring velocity, activity, and friend referrals, giving you the power to make better and more informed hiring decisions. And then for the HR advice essentials, here upgrade your HR advice basic to harness the power of HR experts ready to answer HR and compliance questions on the phone or through the platform. And then access the employee training catalog to foster continuous learning in compliance, personal development, and human resources, and much more. And of course, build federal and multi-state compliant handbooks and generate Spanish language version to support your diverse workforce with a smart handbook plus. Okay, so here we have the Sage HR modules and the pricing. All right, so we have that right here. Now let's go to the features and proceed to the expenses. All right, so here on the Sage expenses, so employees can submit expenses simply by taking a photo of the receipt directly from Sage HR mobile app, and it's that easy. So expense management covers everything from approve business purchases to reimbursement for spending on the job. So you can automate expense recordings, turn receipts into expense entries automatically, group them together, and submit an online expense report with a single click. And for the reporting provides a complete picture of all expense claims, their status, a breakdown of payment types, and then for the mobile app, employee can submit their expenses for approval using their mobile phones. So grab a smartphone and add the details and submit it to the designated expense manager via the mobile app. In the full feature list, so we have claim expenses from a mobile app, control permission with access groups, and upload attachments from mobile claims. Okay, now the next one is we have the recruitment. Okay, for the recruitment, so their end-to-end recruitment software accelerates the recruitment process with automated tracking, on-demand applicant screening, easily accessible data, advanced analytics, and seamless integration with other Sage HR modules. So here, easy pipeline management. Easily manage each stage of hiring with a pipeline management tool. Visualize your pipeline with a simple drag and drop interface to easily organize and then track and streamline the whole recruitment process. Then we have unique landing pages and make your company stand out and attract top talent with a unique landing page, enabling you to focus on a specific campaigns and promote new job openings. Okay, so we have interview scheduling. So schedule interviews with candidates directly from the system and automatically sync with Outlook, Google, and iCal calendars. Make better evidence-based hiring decisions with custom scorecards, and then unify your selection process and comply with legal regulations. Easily identify who has the skills and attributes most suited to each role. And then we have the detailed report. So get insights into your time to fill, hiring velocity, activity, friend referral, and other reports, giving you the power to make better and more informed hiring decisions with actionable insights. So we have the full feature list, friend referral, applicant import, unlimited applicants, unlimited pipelines, custom pipeline stages, hire and add to Sage HR with one click, landing page designer, application form builder, careers page, pipeline stage triggers, Outlook, Google, and iCal calendar integration, and then the detailed change log. Okay, now let's go to the onboarding. Okay, so here on the onboarding, you can automate your onboarding process by assigning predefined task lists to new employees. Set your new hires up for success by delivering seamless and memorable experience. Okay, now for the onboarding feature. Okay, as you can see right here, we have the workflow builder. So you can create a list of tasks to do and then based on your own rules. Then automations, you can automate task assigning when new employees join the company. And then status reports show where each new employee is in their onboarding process. Okay, so here basically for the onboarding, you have a very clear instruction and details for this one. Now, if you want to see more information about the features of this tool, then you just have to visit the website. So again, the Sage HR brings many HR functions. Okay, so into a single cloud platform. That means fewer manual or paper based tasks and less chance of missing something. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.